Jake, where are we going today? Depression Town. That's where we're going. To take me to Depression Town. We shouldn't be smiling, it's not funny. Alright guys, we left, but I forgot the key to my dorm. I'm dumb. I'm so... You know, I'm in denial and I was just leaving it here. I just didn't want it to be real. Gizmo, I love you, sweetie. I'll be back, okay? I got it. We just got to school and I picked up my package and now I'm depressed. I'm already depressed. What? You gotta go to the bathroom? Do you gotta go to the bathroom? There's my dorm right there. I'm gonna miss this building. It's so depressing. It's so depressing. Look at all the depression. I had to rescue Jake because he had to go to the bathroom. Come on, Jake. He doesn't have a flames pass. I can't show my number.
You probably should expose yourself.
I almost did. Jake, I'm just warning you, it's really depressing in here. Look at it.
We got a slight problem.
Pack my little life away. This is depressing.
Babe, why you got peanut butter crackers?
Because I like peanut butter crackers. What do you have to say about my peanut butter crackers?
You're gonna cause me to have a freaking...
They're in the wrapper. They're not gonna do anything.
Problem.
You can have my M&Ms if you want.
I don't want your...
Well, that's what you get. Take all my... It's so pretty and I'm never gonna see it ever again.
Wigging out.
I am wigging out, Dad. Gosh, you just hit me in the head with my own decorations. This is not a laughing matter, Dad.
I don't want to spend my whole day here, so...
Well, I would like to spend my whole day packing my life away in a box. And your whole life can fit in a box. Okay, can you film me helping my bed one last time? Like?
Okay. Ta-da!
You know, I never fell out of this bed.
Well, it's still time.
Let's do it. Everyone's gonna get mad at me. They got mad at me because when I moved in, I had my shoes on.
You have your shoes on? Oh my gosh.
Fight.
Stop right now.
I didn't wash my clothes this whole semester.
With your dirty shoes?
No.
Oh my gosh.
You're
probably the reason for it. Did you just throw an earplug at me?
Dad just said I'm the reason for the garage. My whole life.
I caught face. She was trying to go weed. You were.
I'm not trying to go.
You had weed. I'm gonna report you to Liberty. Faith, I wonder who got you this this group pop figure down here. That's super cool. I wonder who got that for you. Must be a pretty good person that got you that for you.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool whoever got you that.
Did you just throw away my wine?
He threw it away, dude.
He just threw away my wine.
Bro. Man, you having a good time up here. A good old time.
This is my old home.
You struggling, Face?
I freaking mattress top.
You almost just fell over. There you go again. You're almost there.
I'm taking down all my Gizmo photos. My little puppy.
What?
Did it go in the trash can?
Always making buckets. Are these your hater goggles?
Yes, they are. You need those at school. Yeah, I wear those every day.
Every day?
Every day. Little secret writings people left.
Yeah.
A. I don't know what that says. Selena Gomez. You think?
No.
I think it says Selena Gomez. She lived here before me. That's right. That's right. She did. Yeah. She lived in my dorm. This is her desk I'm using. Here.
Your shoes are so small, dude.
I wear a size 8, have you known?
I have a bigger foot for a girl. I don't wear little size 5 shoes, Jake. Those are my Chacos.
Don't touch my chalkies.
These are my Crocs. I forgot to show you, I got this free shirt. They gave us these free shirts on our haul, and look, it has my name on it. They totally customized this for me. I think we're almost done getting everything except my clothes. We just have to take this stuff out to the car. Almost done with my misery. It's so sad. I'm gonna have to vacuum because it's dusty in here, and they didn't say we have to do white glove, but I'm gonna vacuum just in case because Ghostbusters. I'm vacuuming. I have to clean you up. I don't know if it's the dust or if it's my emotions, Jake.
Oil on my head.
You're gonna die. Look how sad this is. Oh, that's even sadder, man. Come back, I need you to take the thumbnail.
What did you say about me, huh? Yes.
I found this in my bed. So, Dad, were you looking for this? That's what I felt. When's the last time crawling out of my bed?
Oh no.
I'll never see you ever again, room. I'll never see this mirror ever again, or this light switch, or my bunk bed, or this bookshelf, or this floor, or the rattling AC unit that I got mad at, or the ceiling tiles I accidentally kicked every morning getting out of bed. Goodbye 17-2. Goodbye.
I guess you're not gonna be successful.
Goodbye 208. My trash can. My window where I FaceTime people. Goodbye stairwell. It's not a time for jumping, Jake. It's not funny. Can't you see I'm in distress right now? Bye, bookstore. Goodbye. Goodbye. That's where I worked all my anger out at the beginning of the semester. Oh no, Chick-fil-A's closed. No. No, well online it said it's open. It must just be open on the weekday. RIP, rest in peace. Hey guys, so really quickly, I wanted to shout out FabFitFun. They actually sent me this box and they have a really awesome discount code for you guys. So I want to show you guys what's in this box and what you can get this month, because you guys know how much I love getting good deals because I'm a coupon mom for life. And this box seriously comes with the most amazing stuff for such a low price. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a quarterly subscription. So you get 4 boxes in a year and they're $50 each. But with my special discount code right here, and you guys can get $10 off your first box, as well as being able to customize the items that come in your box. So I already opened my box, but I'm going to show you guys kind of what the inside looks like. It's so cute. I literally love the butterfly. So the first product I got in my box is this Wish Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. Guys, this freaking stuff smells like heaven. What it does is it's supposed to like purify your face and moisturize your face. Plus you look blue and that makes you look like an avatar. So what's even better than that? I don't really know. The next product I got is also another skincare item. Let me get it. It's on the floor, I think. So this is the Release Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. First off, like the other product, the smells amazing, and I just did this last night and it makes your skin look so good. Next thing is this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. This actually smells like a dreamsicle. I really like this moisturizer. And you guys, Tarte is a really good brand. So like the fact that this is in this box, like. The next thing in the box is this hairbrush. This is actually a rose gold luxe chrome detangling brush by Aria Beauty. I love this brush. I always need hairbrushes because mine always go bad and they look ratchet and I need a new one. And this is perfect. The next thing in this box is silicone straws. I'm sure you guys have seen the like trend, like to be a visco girl, you have to use silicone straws to save the sea turtles. So I'm gonna be a visco girl, get these. The next product I got in my box is this AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Hair Conditioner. So you guys know I bleached my hair and I just recently dyed it back brown. It's so freaking damaged. It's not even funny. So I've been putting this on my hair every time I get out of the shower and I love it so much. The next thing in here, which is really cool that I didn't know could fit in the box, but I got this Caravan like little rug. It reminds me of like an Aztec print black and white rug. I'm gonna put this in front of my door and it's gonna be so cute. And the next product that I got, I'm actually wearing right now and I've been wearing it like 24/7 because I love it so much. And it's this really cute like little gold coin necklace. I love this necklace. Probably my favorite item from the whole box, and yeah, it's dope. So yeah, that's kind of everything I got in my FabFitFun box. Like I said guys, if you use my code Robertson, you guys can get $10 off of your first box as well as customize it. Super dope. Hurry over to the website so you guys can get the spring box. So go check it out. Look at the pretty mountains. This was my walk to class. Thanks, Dad.
Did I screw it up? I screwed up?
Yes, he screwed it up. He screwed it up. Down the Freedom Tower steps one more time.
Why are we going all the way down? We can't get in.
You can't get in those doors, Dad. Come on, that's common knowledge. You're such a fake Liberty student. Dad said that he was okay with us coming down here if it got me content. I just wanted to go in here one more time, okay? Suckers, I win. Who was right? Wait, Dad's never been in here. Dad, you've never been in here. How do you like it? Same. Jake is really paranoid about the coronavirus and he's not happy that I made us come up. You could wait in the car. Why didn't you wait in the car?
Because you guys get that done anyways.
This feels like either Hunger Games or like Hannah Montana movie where she comes out of the stage. Look at all our fans. Oh my gosh. Goodbye, Libert. I love you. I'll see you in 5 months. No. Hey, how y'all doing? Somebody better come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Oh my gosh, okay guys, we just got back and unpacked everything into my room and it now looks like a giant bomb went off. So this is grand. I have to clean all this up now, but my brother's bed's in here because he stole my room while I was gone. So that's why there's another bed on the floor if you guys are wondering. The amount of dust that I've got in my eyes today is literally insane. Guys, I literally had so many cute dresses that I was gonna whip out for summertime, but no one gets to see them now because I'm in quarantine. Well guys, I think that's it for this video. It's kind of sad and depressing, but I try to make it funny and fun because I'm trying not to be super sad girl, but I'm big sad, guys. I literally had the most amazing semester and I'm so sad that it's over. It had a rough start, but guess what? Diamond in the rough, and now I'm sad that it's gone. So yeah, I'm looking forward to next semester. You guys can look forward to those videos. I have a countdown on my phone. It's like 140 days till I go back, so that's great. That's great. Please leave your video suggestions in the comments below. I'm bored, I'm in quarantine, and I would love to film your videos, so just let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out any of my previous videos, you can click them right over there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.